Hello folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Stand by. So I take a block of styrofoam and measure out notches 1 centimetre apart from the top bricks. I then measure out notches 5 millimeters apart for the bricks on the side of the wall. After doing both sides, I then connect them both. Most of these techniques I do get for a night shift. I then create more grooves to complete the top bricks. I then create more grooves in a staggered approach to complete the other bricks. I then take a blunt kitchen knife and prise apart the bricks to create a more realistic look. I then take a metal pick and do the same for in between the bricks. I then complete the bricks on the side by going all the way back with a knife. To give it a more weathered effect, I take a ball of screwed up kitchen foil and press it all over the wall. I then complete the top bricks with a knife and give the same weathered effect to them. To add a more weathered effect, I start creating broken bricks. Now to start with the painting, I add a base layer of mahogany brown. So I start painting the individual bricks. First colour is orange brown. The next colour is deep yellow. Now it's skin tone. To add a bit more of a weathered effect and to take the colour down and to fill in the gaps between the bricks, I add some plaster of Paris. Now it's too white, so I add some water. now it's dry, I can add a bit more, let's say, fake dirt. So let's add some white, maybe some paint spin against it, and maybe later a little bit of black for dirt. Here goes the black. Now we add some green olive drab to create some mossy plant-like effect that's built upon the bricks. And there we have it, the brick wall completed. Thanks for stopping by, folks.